Today I'm going to talk about why I don't have a pin back button template on my website. If you look at other websites that offer pin back button and magnet services, you'll see that many of them have a template you can use to put your design in, and then they'll make the design from that template. I don't have a template on my website because I don't want you to have to do the designing. It's not your job to do the designing. It's mine. That's why we're working together on this. That's why you're searching for somebody to do custom pin back button and magnet work for you. You have a design that can be used or you don't. Regardless of whether you do or you don't and you need help, your job is not to be the designer. Your job is to provide the vision and the content, and then it's up to me, the designer, to take your vision and your content and for us to work together so that your goals will be achieved. This is why I don't have a pin back button template on my website. If I did, that would make you do work. I don't want you to do work. I want to do the work for you. I want to help you. I want to be a partner with you in achieving your goals. This is why I don't have a template on my website. I also don't have a template on my website because I want to make sure that it's perfect. I'm a perfectionist. I'm kind of a control freak. I want to make sure that it's done the absolute best way possible. If I had a template on my website and you sent it in and it wasn't correct, I wouldn't want to change it because I don't know if it's something that you wanted it that way, and there would just be so much miscommunication and it would be a lot more complicated. So I'm taking this decision process away from you. I'm saving you time. I'm saving you needing to make a decision. I'm helping you with this. This is why I don't have a template on my website, so we can partner together and reach your current followers and those that you want to gain together and in the best way. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.